they're believers in liberty, limited government, and a prosperous economy and peace, they would vote for me.
That's the message Congressman Ron Paul is sending potential voters in South Carolina.
I don't want to tell people what to do with their money, and I don't want to tell people what to do with their schooling. And some people think, well, that sounds liberal. Well, no, it's just less government.
For Paul, this election is not about liberal versus conservative, but government intervention.
I like to say I'm a non-interventionist. I don't like to intervene in people's lives and in their personal choices, and I don't want the federal government to intervene in their economic choices either.
During a debate in Myrtle Beach Monday night, Paul mentioned getting rid of federal agencies.
It's something that you don't have to say, if the federal government doesn't do it, you won't have it, because it may well be done in a much better fashion.
Those agencies include the Department of Education.
I don't see them doing very many things productive. Nobody's happy with No Child Left Behind.
Ron Paul is also gaining attention with his Golden Rule approach to foreign policy.
How can anybody turn down the Golden Rule? I mean, it's been around, and it's in almost every great religion, and it simply says we shouldn't do to other people those things that we don't want them to do to us. So if we, put troops in another country and occupy a country like we did in Iraq, nothing was achieved by that.
Speaking of occupying, Ron Paul says he does agree with some complaints in the recent Occupy Wall Street movement that fueled a nearly 2-month battle between South Carolina lawmakers and demonstrators on State House grounds. The movement also swept the nation.
Governments have failed, and they need to understand that government failed because they bailed out all the rich.
But he says he is not against the rich.
I don't mind the rich if they have made an honest living producing good products and we buy their products.
And he says it's not about choosing one set of people over another.
If they think it just means that we have to subsidize one group versus another, it's not that simple. What we have to do is protect the liberties of all people equally.
Crandall Sims, ABC Columbia News.